I didn't know you were coming by today. You can't sneak up on somebody like that. Whew. I'm fixing to go get some more coffee real quick and come back out and we can talk about what we got going today. We got a busy day today. Some stuff I've been avoiding for a long time. So I'll be right back. Where'd you go? Ah, there you are. Were you snooping around out here? Me snooping, giving away all my secrets. But today I got a busy day, and I go to the flea market booth today. And yeah, I say I got to. I don't know. It's like we were so excited about the flea market booth. We're looking at growing and expanding and getting bigger, and then we decided against it. And I don't know, like I just lost all motivation with it. And we haven't been in like 3 weeks to stock it up. We have no idea how sales are, how it looks in there, and it sucks. I got to figure out why I'm not having any motivation with it, but I'm not feeling very motivated at all. We still got all that stuff in the storage unit. We still got all that stuff over here, which I'll show you a little bit later. And it's you know, we got a lot of stuff, and I have not wanted to do it. So I don't know for you, have you ever felt like that? You know, you're going along so good, you're excited about the direction things are going, and then all of a sudden you lose motivation and you're like, what happened? I can't be the only one. So what do you do? Like, what do you do when you're trucking along and then you just lose motivation? I don't know. I got to figure it out, because we've got money just sitting around, and I got a motivation problem. But before we go to the flea market, and you can come along with me if you want to, and I've got to get items shipped today. We had a busy day yesterday. I'll show you sales. And then I gotta get some items prepped for our virtual assistant Wally, so that he can get those items listed for us, and then get some stuff gathered up for the flea market. I know Whitney went a couple weeks ago. She got everything priced for us, but I have no idea how much we need, so it sucks. But let's get to shipping. All right, so there goes the sales. So yesterday we did $748.89. We got another busy day over here, and $864 did last week one day, but it's all pretty consistent days, about $500. The last 7 days we've done $3,700, which that's only with $100 for today. And we did, I don't know, another $500 in our other eBay account, and then Facebook sales also, which we done, I don't know, probably $700-800 on there. So shipping out 20 phones today. Well, 20 phones and cameras. So 20 phones. Got 18 that we're shipping out, which we'll ship out all those, and got a return request we got to respond to. But let's go ahead and get these items pulled and get ready to ship. Yeah, what's up? You want to know if we use promoted listings or not? Yeah. No, we use them a lot. We use them for pretty much all of our listings, and we well, all of our consumer electronics. So a lot of the pallet goods and stuff we still do also for those. But for consumer electronics, it's such a saturated field. There's so many. It's like this phone right here. It's an Alcatel Zip. It's like a cheapy phone. There's probably like 10 or 15, 20 listings right now, but there's like, even in the realm of cell phones, there's like millions of cell phones that are available. But we promote them all at 3%, and I'll show you, come over here and I'll show you on the computer. So you can see here, we've got 2 active campaigns. One started on the 2nd, which this one here I will end today because that's been 8 days. I usually will run them for 1 week and then we'll end them. So between these 2 promotions, it looks like we've done $2,100 in sales. We've sold 91 items for, you know, $2,100 over the last 8 days. And then you could see, like yesterday, we had that $700 something sale or day. We only sold 9 on yesterday from promoted listings. You can see 13 here on Sunday, and on Saturday we sold 20 items from promoted listings. So why do we end the promotions after a week and then restart another promotion after a couple of hours? Well, I found, and this could be placebo, I don't know, but I believe it to be true, and talking with other resellers, they have also found it to be true. But when you first start a promotion, that you generate a lot more traffic, a lot more impressions during the first couple of days of the promoted listing. So when you end the promoted listing and then you restart it, it kind of invigorates it in the algorithm. So we do it. And why 3%? Well, I've been playing around with that. I used to do like 4 and 5%, 1%. And I'm starting to kind of wean that back because we do have a lot more cash flow now. It's not as imperative that we get sales quickly. You know, our reselling models, we want to turn inventory fast. We don't like stuff to just be sitting on the shelf. We want that cash flow because the more cash flow you have, the greater opportunity to be able to buy more stuff. And we do a lot of bulk buying. So when we have orders, you know, it's, you know, $500,000, $1,500 at a time. We want money in the bank, not sitting on the shelf waiting to be sold. But I'm finding that there's not as big of a drop off between 5%, 4%, and 3% sales. Actually, on this, when I end this one today, I will restart it and we'll do 2% promoted listings for a week and see how that goes. You know, it's very compared with apples to apples in this scenario for us, just because we sell, it's pretty much in this account, it's all consumer electronics. So it's easy for us to see. But I'm gonna finish this up. So I really don't know why this is so hard. Like, I don't want to go. If you weren't here, I probably would make up some excuses, find some other things to do besides going to fill up our flea market booth. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But we've got all of this stuff here that I'm gonna take over. This is a bunch of the bargain bin stuff. We got these 4 bins here and then this here. So I'm just gonna a couple of red tubs, get them full, just go straighten up the booth, see what we're dealing with. And because we don't have a lot of big stuff, so if there's a lot of big stuff gone, then I'm gonna have to go to the storage unit and get stuff to take over there another day. But I'm gonna quit wasting time and fiddle farting around trying to make excuses not to go. As you can see, that is not gonna be near enough stuff, but that's all I feel like taking. So it's gonna have to be enough for today. All right, so here we are. It's our flea market, and let's get this stuff unloaded and go inside and see how empty it is, figure out how much work we gotta do. We've been bad.
Yes.
Yes.
Very.
We've been lacking so much motivation and so much busyness that we've sucked, like super bad.
You need to get your act together.
I know, we need to. I think we've sold some stuff. Not a whole lot. Alright, so this is our booth. And it's not as empty as I thought it would be, but it's definitely messy. And so we haven't sold much stuff since the last time we've been here. But I don't know, these bins were kind of full. These bins here, they were full, and now they're not quite as full. And then some of these shelves here, they were kind of empty before, or full. We've sold some stuff. Looks like we sold one of these. We've sold some stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it organized, get it cleaned up, and you're welcome to hang around and see what we got going on if you want to. Alright, so we're stocked up. How do you think it looks? I think it looks alright. It needs to be more full, more stuff. But we'll have to get to the storage unit, get some of these larger items. But I'm going to go get our money from last month, figure out how much we made, if you want to go wait for me in the car. And I'll meet you outside. Alright, sorry it took so long. I got to talking to the lady in there that got on to us. And you know, they don't want empty booths in there, which our booth wasn't too empty, but a lot of the same people come in here and shop every week. So if things don't look new and it doesn't look fresh, they don't even stop in your booth. So we ended up doing last month $301 in sales in the booth, and a lot of the I haven't had a chance to look through the whole thing yet. But a lot of it, I mean, we had done, like on the 19th, we had done $250. So the last 7 days, we only did $50. That time period, we're selling golf grips, got some other stuff, and all them golf grips got sold. So I think maybe somebody, I don't know, we sold a bunch of golf grips we had in there, and but we sold a lot of stuff. Not as much bargain bin stuff as I would like, but I'll do a further analysis of this and figure out what's been selling. And then when we originally got the booth, we were wanting to do it for a lot of the bargain bin items, but it doesn't look like that concept is working all that well. So we're gonna have to hit the drawing board again, figure out if that's gonna be viable. But anyways, I gotta get motivated somehow. I'm gonna get this thing full. We'll figure it out. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me today. All right, so we hope you have enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't done so already, and hit the subscribe button while you're at it.
And if you have not already, check us out at www.thefamilyflips.com. And if you're on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, what a coincidence! So are we!
Links down in the description for those.
Until next time,
Peace.